This is a demo of the hot slice, which is a variation on the slice 230, a bit of an evolution with the heated blade inside, meaning we can now cut things like this hard and easy to fray braided nylon tubing, which is also expandable. So typically when people go to cut this, it'll fray off and kind of unbraid itself, but with the hot knife, the goal is to meld together threads. So you can have a clean opening and it will be the proper length. We can see here on the unit, on our control board, little HMI, I can change stuff like the quantity, which we can set to 5 as an example, as well as the length we want to cut. I will also just make it 5 inches, if I can actually press the buttons well. There we go. We can also see that our infeed, which is the distance between our rollers here, is at 1 right now, so we can pretty easily go ahead and insert the material. We want to make sure the material is loaded without turning it there. There we go. Want to make sure it's loaded all the way through so that the roller wheels actually have something to grab onto. We can see coming out the bottom here. And once it is, I can go ahead and press the infeed, set it to 0, and it will auto home to clamp around that material. We also see on the right here, our new interface is the M5 dial, and it's simply a way to set and control the temperature of the blade. I'm going to go ahead and run the job by pressing both the buttons on the side. Now we've done a crop cut, and I can actually continue. Well, it's stuck together a little bit there, but we can see around the output that the sides are melded together, meaning they won't fray and become unbraided, but it's not completely sealed, so you don't have to take your fingernails and pry apart the edges. And that's the same with all the other cuts that we made. So that is the short demo of the hot slice, the new variation in our line.